sometimes our people disagree with you, but I mean, I understand some of your approach. I mean, sometimes we take a hard bite. It helps us as politicians.
Nowadays, when I listen to you, I even panic.
Why?
Maybe, hey,
Why do you panic?
the way you, Papa, you know Papa.
Figuratively, he bites as hard as he can.
Okay.
And of course, when he puts his fangs into you, you certainly feel it. I think it pretty
Watch Johnny's bite.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? And yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you art with me. The rod and the staff that comfort me, that prepares the table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup runneth over, and surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Assalamu alaikum. It's the 20th day of October in 2025. It's a Monday. Welcome to Johnny's Bite. Let's give thanks to all our trotro drivers, our taxi drivers, our engineers, our lawyers, our judges, and our magistrates, and all the people who watch us. We are grateful that you join us every now and then, and to spread the word. Let me say thank you also to Sonar Fashions in Tamale for my outfit this morning, and to Mr. Bawini for my outfit as well. He bought me a very beautiful smock. That's my scorecard. Let me say thank you to him. Let's begin by celebrating our Ghana's most beautiful queen for the year 2025. And I know how Auntie B, my group CEO, is passionate about Ghana's most beautiful. She's passionate about women empowerment. And if you come to Media Journal, you meet a lot of women at the helm of affairs. My very own boss, Lois Kisiedu, my very own boss, Akofa Banson, my very own boss, Auntie B, my very own boss, Auntie, we call her Auntie Amma, but she's Amma Lawson. We have a lot of them at the helm of affairs. Kuzo, put the picture up. Let's engage with the Ghana's most beautiful, the lady who got the vehicle, the lady who got all the flowers flying in a way. Let's get it up there. Let's celebrate it. Etonam of Ghana fame, and it is her birthday. It is her enjoyment day today. Kunzo will find a photo today. But quickly, let me tell you about Rosebank International University College. It's an adult Montessori that I so much cherish, and I'll talk to you about it. It's at the Opebia end. You need to drive and go through there because they have their admission coming up for January 2026. You need to go there and feel it. It's not a regular university that we entertained and enjoyed and endured, where everything is clustered and everything is encumbered and we are going through. No. This is a very, very good university, approved from different levels, different international countries, and different, making you to thrive globally, community-based. Admissions are open. Go to school. Go and learn in a very good university. Get universal education. Global ready programs. Inspire excellence in you. Where do you want to take your child to? Or where do you yourself, Doctor of Business Administration, DBA, where do you want to go and educate yourself? This is what I'm talking about. Global, international, quintessential. That's what I'm talking about. You study in Accra, you could get external conversations in the South Africa of Africa, and you could be happy about it. This is the Rosebank International University College. Gonzo, let's move on. Find me the photo, please. I want the GMB photo. I want to celebrate Etonam. That's Etonam. Asakia, first runner-up. Asakia, Upper East Region. She got the first runner-up. Second runner-up is Sika from the Asante region. Asante region. And then we also have that's Sika from the Asante region. And then we also have Etonam. That's our queen for 2025 from the Volta region. Etonam. Congratulations to her. I spoke with them last Friday. We had a very good conversation. I didn't know she was going to win, but she won. I'm sure she's Auntie B's favorite person at this point. Yeah. Congratulations to Etonam. Hododio! I can hear you say, ho, where you are. Happy winning to you, Etonam. We appreciate you and we go with you. Today's Asakia's birthday. Asakia, happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Jonathan Syme, please do. She's a customer of your bank. Even though your bank and my bank gave money to National Service Authority, money that we didn't approve, and you gave them loan or whatever it is, but it is her birthday. It's a bank. Happy birthday to her. Let's read the letters, please. My friends at GTTC or GTTI, in between Metro Mass and the municipal, you decided to write to your boss and say that whatever we said there is wrong. Oh, but today you are resuming school. I wanted to wait for you to resume your school, Mr. Tete. I wanted to wait for you to resume your school. Then I will show you the documents. Miokabata, Ole, Ebenezer Edu, tell him. Miokabata, Ole. You don't know. I said, I gave you the Kolebu example. When I made 30 people go through fake whatever it is. 30 people, I made them go through. There's another gentleman at the Ministry of Education. You have gone to do fake affidavit on your birth certificate. You wear suit and tie, you go to work. Somebody called you from the Financial Intelligence Bureau and you told the person that it's complicated. This morning, if you are listening to me, don't dress up and go to work. Because if you go to work today, tomorrow, I'll show you a picture. I will put you out there. The world will know who you are. That you reduce your age and you have attended to official duty without authorization. Oh, I will put it up there. We have your date of birth from 19 Godohoho to when you changed it. So don't go. Don't attempt to go. If you try, you'll be in trouble. Let's read the letter together. EOCO rescues QNet victims. On Friday, October 17, 2025, about 10:30 hours, the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit of the Economic and Organized Crime Office carried out a joint operation with QNet that led to the arrest of 9 suspects and rescue of 26 victims. The operation, codenamed Operation Quest, followed intelligence that some foreigners and Ghanaians had been trafficked under the guise of providing employment with the QNet company, a reputable company with trades in wellness and lifestyle products. The suspects include 2 Ivorians and 7 Ghanaians, while the victims were made up of 10 Ivorians and 16 Ghanaians. All 9 suspects are currently in custody of EOCO to assist in investigations. EOCO wishes to advise the general public to report all cases of individuals and groups who claim to be agents of QNet, who provide job opportunities at their company, either in Ghana or abroad. In July this year, EOCO and QNet signed a joint MOU to clamp down on criminal actors using the QNet to traffic persons, signed by Faustina Latte, his head of public affairs, for executive director. That's Mr. Former Enquirer newspaper. Find me the other letter, Kunzo. It's the Ghana Health Service, and I need to reiterate this because I've seen that is going on and people actually don't give a damn about it. So please pay attention to this one. This is for immediate release from the Ghana Health Service, increasing seasonal influenza cases in Ghana. The Ministry of Health, through the Ghana Health Service, that's the GHS, wishes to inform the public that Ghana is currently experiencing an increasing case of seasonal influenza in certain parts of the country. The cases have been confirmed as influenza A strains H3N2 and H1N1, which are part of the seasonal flu viruses. The high cases have been reported in the Greater Accra region, Central region, Bono region, Eastern region. It must be noted that these high reported cases coincide with Ghana's annual flu season, which peaks during the cooler months. The symptoms of seasonal flu include sudden onset of fever, cough, sore throat, runny nose, body aches, headaches, fatigue. The spread is mainly through respiratory droplets from an affected person coughing, sneezing, or talking, and touching contaminated surfaces. High-risk settings are crowded environments such as schools, dormitories, transport hubs, and markets for rapid spread. Who is at risk? Children and adolescents. The children you are taking to school this morning, they are at high risk, especially with school in session. The elderly, pregnant women, people with chronic illnesses, you have asthma, you have diabetes, you have heart disease, you are prone. What should we do? Seek medical care early. If you develop flu-like symptoms, stay home if you're unwell to avoid spreading the infection. Practice good health and hygiene. Wash your hands regularly with soap and running water. Cover sneezes and coughs, and also disinfect frequently and treat surfaces immediately. Also, avoid crowded spaces and close contact with sick individuals. Use a face mask when in crowded places. Health systems and the response thereof. Enhance surveillance and rapid diagnosis testing at health facilities. Update case management protocols for clinicians, and also public education campaigns through media and community channels. Coordination with regional health and directorate to ensure timely response. As schools reopen, and some of them came home Friday, but as schools reopen across the country, the service urges all the school authorities, parents, students to strictly observe the prevention methods and measures as prescribed above. The service is working with the Ghana Education Service to safeguard the health and students of the staff during the period. The Ministry of Health, through the Ghana Health Service, assures the public that all necessary measures are being taken to contain these flu cases, and the cooperation of stakeholders are vital in providing yourself and your family and your community, protecting you as well. Dr. Samuel Kaba Korea is the boss of the Ghana Health Service. There's something on my heart I want to talk about. We live in a country where people assume that they are entitled to certain positions. I've not mentioned anybody's name. But we live in a country where people assume that we are entitled to a certain position. So even if the authorities and the law and functions of the Constitution decide that we will be taking off, we feel so entitled about it. And they get some ill-mannered people to be assuming and advising them. I repeat, we live in a country where people feel entitled to a certain position, so that they will be advised by any other person who thinks that they are well positioned to advise them to fight the system. You cannot fight the system and win. No. The law remains the law. The law remains the law. Not so long ago, I told you about somebody who was on social media bragging and saying that if you care to know, I've not stolen anything. Now, the people are before court. And we are watching the Attorney General closely. The Office of the Special Prosecutor, we're watching them closely. Samida, good morning to you. Kesi Jabi, good morning to you. We're watching them closely. The people voted for a reset. The reset has to be done properly and properly so. No. You cannot do it the way you want to do it. No. The people want a certain reset. And the reset is somebody has stolen money, somebody has chopped money, somebody has done illegal activity. The reset must deal with the person. No. You cannot be dealing with the issues the way you want. No. You are my good friends. I love you. I respect you. But I'm saying that the reset must be done the way the streets want it, according to the law. According to the law. If the law doesn't support it, don't do it. But if the law supports it, do it with all your might and strength. Yesterday when I went to church, some two children came to me and said, but you said we should be speaking about our own issues. I said, yes, speak about your own issues. What do you do with your Snapchat account, your TikTok account, your Facebook account, your X account? What do you do with it? You don't do anything with it. You have questions to ask, you don't ask the questions. You meet Johnnie Hughes and you want to channel your questions to him to go and ask. Am I your mate? Here ends my sermon. Please call me 03 055 924 27.